What up, everybody? What up, everybody? It's your boy J Trades. So yeah, guys. Great market. Great market week. This previous week, and so many of our signals actually did land. So remember, guys, to follow my page on J Trades. J underscore Trades Universe on the tube. All right. So let's jump into it. It's my analysis for the next coming week, the next coming trading week. So, guys, I'm gonna start because normally I just analyze once a week. Then I do my update somewhere within the middle of the week. So I'm just gonna delve in on my Euro USD. Okay. So yes, guys. So normally we start on the daily time frame to get an overview of what the market has been doing. So the market has been um pushing towards the low. So as we can see that the market is very bearish, that the market has been sustaining its downtrend, as you could see here, with the lower high here and the lower low and the lower high and the lower low and the richest somewhere here of the lower high, and the richest somewhere here of the lower high, confirming that we have um, um, a substantial a diagonal resistance trade line, which ultimately we are creating a channel. So guys, let's delve in deeper. I'm not going to take a lot of your time, right? I'm trying to make my videos as short as possible, but while also sharing a lot of knowledge while I'm doing it, right, guys? So the other thing that I started spotting out, right, as I delve in deeper into the 4 hour time frame, is that we have a level here that the market likes to go and play. So you can mark it as a zone. You can maybe enlarge it like this and like make it a zone so that you are well aware that when the market gets to this area, certain decisions will be made. There will be maybe market manipulation. There will be a lot of maybe rejections or change of structure. But when the market will come to this area right here, which was at some point a demand area, because of, you can even see that the area just underneath it, if we can just drag this if we can drag this rectangle here, we can see that the area in the space was some form of a support. So it turned support, and it was holding for quite some time until ultimately it broke and it turned into resistance. But then what the market will do through this kind of manipulations and stop hands is that it broke it and it went to the previous structure. So now I marked it as a major supply level, that when the market will come to this area here, what will happen is it would be testing its major supply level. So that means that we'll be looking for tradable opportunities, but we'll be looking to shorten the market, not to buy the market. But should the market break structure, of course, right, we're looking for buying opportunities, but we'll be looking for selling opportunities when the market will reach this diagonal resistance channel here. All right. And the other thing to note, guys, is the fact that the market doesn't recognize all these things. All these technical tools only assist most of us who are trading the financial markets and the instruments to make good trading judgments before actually entering these trades, right? So let's delve in deeper, but I'm going to delete this, right, because of I've already marked the area here, right? So I'm going to delve in deeper into my 1 hour channel just to look at structure. As you could see that the market was actually trying to push high. If I can, you could see that the market was coming from the higher low. It came and it created a lower low. The market tried to push. Then the market ultimately gave us another low, right? The market wanted to retest, right, and probably break structure. Most of us were expecting the market to kind of push in that area and break structure, but it failed. But because of maybe the timing is not, because of if you look at the DXY will tell you that the dollar is still very strong, trading against all its pairs or crosses, right? So if you look at the dollar strength, right, at some point it's gonna weaken. But for now, you're still looking to shorten the euro, up until the dollar has kind of reached its peak, or supply areas. Then we can start looking for sellable opportunities. But in this case, we're looking to actually sell the dollar, meaning we want to buy the euro. Okay, so let's also do it like this. So this is my prediction to say the market will actually go. We're gonna retest this. It's a minor demand level, right? That the market will, for me, will kind of come here for just a retest. So when the market will come here, right, as we are predicting, we're gonna be looking to actually buy the market, right? So we're gonna go long at this point here, right? Of course, we don't open, all right, to the next supply level, right? Should the market break structure, cool, then just here in this level here, in 0.95, we'll be looking to buy the market. But ultimately, we're just looking to buy the market, right, guys? So let's delve in deep. Let's jump into our next pair that we were looking at, which is USD ZAR, right? Great pair, making a lot of moves that we are noting. But one thing that stood out is that on the weekly time frame, you could see here, this was some of the spikes that the market did make somewhere in 2020, when we were in the midst of COVID-19. But if you can look at what the market is doing, is coming back to actually retest those highs, right? So of course, it's a major resistance level, it's a supply level, and where the market reaches up, where the market reaches supply, we're looking to shorten the market. So of course, also, we're still looking to sell the dollar at some point in the future. Let's delve in deeper to the 4 hour time frame, because of, we know that the structure is bullish, right? So we're looking for the market to retest its current peak, which is 18 point comma 57, right? So after the retest, we are looking to shorten the market, right? So we're looking for the market to kind of reach that area. So after the market has reached the area, mm, we'll be looking to go short. We'll be looking to go short, just like this here, just like this here. So we'll be looking to go short to the breaker structure. So if you can look at the structure of the market, it's really a structure that is not so complicated to break. You could see here that the market did actually create some form of it, a supply level, right? Came back, retested it, broke it, created a high. So the market was pushing, creating a continuation of a bullish market, right? So the structure was being respected. If you can look at it, right, whether you choose to trade it through using a channel or using supply demand, or support resistance, right, it's all the same, right? You just have to mark the areas that the market likes to respect, and where the market manipulators, all the market participants are looking at those areas, right? They are better than patterns, better than reading certain candlesticks. So we are still looking to go short in this market. And guys, that is basically it from your boy J Trace Universe. These are my two analysis of the euro dollar and USD ZAR. Right, I've also done I've also went through some analysis of Nasdaq, though I don't personally trade Nasdaq, right? But I've also seen great trading opportunities through the analysis of Nasdaq, right? But follow me on the tube, guys. Follow me on the socials. I'm also available. I share most of my work, or my published ideas on Twitter, which is at Ndlubisto. Follow me there. On Facebook, J Makubela. Follow me there, right, guys? So yes, that's it. Boom, I am out.